Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie. So in today's video I'll be quickly going ahead and showing you my makeup collection, and also let me just go ahead and put out a disclaimer right there that this video is definitely not to show off or to brag about the things that I have, but this is just me sharing my makeup collection with you because I have seen, I personally love watching makeup collection videos of other beauty YouTubers, and that is when I decided to go ahead and do my own version of makeup collection video for my viewers as well. I don't have a lot of makeup, but these are the makeup products that I have been using over the past few years, and it's not necessary that you also have to go ahead and have so much of makeup in your life. But since I am doing YouTube now, it's been more than a year that I'm doing YouTube, so that is the reason why I need to go ahead and purchase new makeup so that I can go ahead and try it out or tell you what I love about those particular products. And that is how I have gone ahead and built my makeup collection. If you are someone who is new to my channel and if you have clicked on this video, hi, this is Cassie, please go ahead and subscribe down below so that you can go ahead and be a part of my tiny little family right here on YouTube. And don't forget to press the bell icon right besides the subscribe button, because that is how you will get notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss out on my future videos as well. Now let's jump into the video. Okay, so I actually keep my makeup in this vanity box, and I have already filmed this video before, but I did not like the footage of it because I was just showing you my makeup from the vanity box itself, which was kind of messy. So I went ahead and I laid all my makeup right here on this table so that I can go ahead and show you each and everything that I own in my makeup collection. Okay, so here I have my Primark Glitter Obsessed palette, which actually was brought to me by my brother. This palette is again from Primark. My brother got it for me, and this is a Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette that I have, and over here that's me right there. So here I have my Tammy X Revolution Tropical Paradise palette. This is again the Tammy X Revolution Tropical Carnival Shadow palette, and this is something that was gifted to me. This is a regular eyeshadow palette which was gifted to me by one of my friend, and hence I have kept it. And again, this palette was also gifted to me by one of my friends, so I have it over here. If you see this is a very old Miss Claire eyeshadow palette. This is like my first ever palette that I got, I think in the year 2016, I guess. I wanted to keep this as a reminder of how far I have come with my makeup collections, but I have kept this palette as my memory. Here I have my Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush palette, and this is again a palette that was gifted to me by my friend, and this is the Maybelline's the Blushed Nudes palette. Here I have my Fit Me Loose Powder, like a highlighter in Champagne Pop, the L'Oreal Back to Bronze Bronzing Powder, my Miss Claire Blusher, LA Colors Bronzer, and this is like my Lakme Sun Expert Compact Powder. This is my second compact powder, which I absolutely love using, and I have already hit pan on this one as well. Then here I have my Swiss Beauty Prime and Set Primer and Mattifying Setting Powder, and this is the Inside Cosmetics Conceal Correct Contour Palette. This is the loose powder from Becca, which I have kept. I actually got this for free along with the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. And then here I have my Miss Claire Lash Glue. This is the gel eyeliner from Maybelline, my Miss Claire eyeshadows, some of my Swiss Beauty liquid metallic shadows, metallic eyeshadow, and then I have a few of my eyeliners. This is the Lakme Absolute Shine Line eyeliner, which is my absolute favorite. Then this is the Lotus eyeliner. This is the Inside Cosmetics eyeliner. This is the Miss Claire Pearl eyeliner. Okay, I'll go ahead and show you my lipsticks later. Let's move on to this section that I have over here. Here I have this concealer. This is the Maybelline's concealer, Fit Me concealers, and this is the Age Rewind concealer. And these are two of the Smashbox primers, sample size products that I received free from Nykaa. And this is my MAC Mini Strobe Cream here, and this is my Superstay foundation from Maybelline, which I used to use a lot back in the day when I had acne issues and scarrings and redness and whatnot. But this foundation has covered me up during those time, and I absolutely love this foundation. Then I have my Maybelline's Fit Me foundation, the Inside Stay Matte foundation, and this is the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution foundation, which is again one of my favorite foundation. This and this are my absolute favorite foundation so far. This is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, and then I have my MAC Fix Plus here, my Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. Again, this is the Blue Heavens eyeliner. So now let's move on to the lipstick section. Here I have all of my lipsticks that I own. So let's move on to this lipstick. This is a lipstick that I got from a local store just randomly, and this is the My Glam lipstick. I don't know what's the shade name, but it's a beautiful red shade. This is the L'Oreal lipstick, and this is the NYX Lip Lingerie lipstick in the shade called Seduction. This is one of my absolute favorite shade from this range, but I don't know why I can hardly find this shade in stock. I have my Matte Me lip color, and this is called from the brand called Beauty Color. This is again a velvet matte lipstick from Miniso. My Nicka K lipstick, my Nicka K liquid lipstick. Again a Matte Me lipstick that I picked up from a local beauty store. This is from the brand called APK, but I don't like the formula of this particular lipstick. It has that sticky feeling on your lips. Whenever you press your lips against each other, they kind of feel sticky. So that is the reason why I don't use this, but I still have it because I love the shade of this particular lipstick, so I have kept it. Here I have my In Color liquid lipstick in the shade called LSCL. This is again another lipstick from In Color. And these are my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink liquid lipsticks, and this is from their coffee edition, and this one is from Inside Cosmetics. It is their liquid lipstick in the shade called Joyful, one of my favorite shade. And here I have another NYX Lip Lingerie lipstick in the shade called Embellishment, and this is a metallic lip gloss from Primark, which my brother got for me. One more In Color Matte Me lipstick, and this is a random lipstick that I got, not the original. And these are my Miniso liquid lipsticks. I have already done a dedicated video on this particular lipstick set, so I will try and leave a link to that video at the end of this video, so definitely check that out. Here coming down, I have all of my Lakme 9 to 5 lipsticks. Then I have my L'Oreal lipstick. Here are some of the Nykaa matte mini lipsticks. Then I have my Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade called Trophy. While here I have the Huda Beauty's lip gloss, and this is in the shade called Shameless. This is again a NYX travel sized lipstick that I have, a mini lipstick from NYX. I don't know the shade name. And this is the Face Shop's water tint. Here are some of my Miss Claire lipsticks, and this is again one of my Nicka K lipstick. Don't mind the packaging of it. The tissue kind of stuck to the bullet, and that is the reason why the packaging looks a little messy. Here I have my Nykaa Mattelicious lip crayons, and this is again a Primark lipstick that my brother got for me. It's in this beautiful pink shade, though I'm not a huge fan of pink lipsticks, but I have kept this in case if I feel like wearing some pink lipstick. And also this is something that my mom gifted me this year for Children's Day, just a random purchase. She did it from a local beauty store and she got this for me, so I have this over here in my collection. And these are two of my MAC lipsticks from the Shreya Jain's festive kit that she launched last year. Now let's move on to this section. Here I have all of my mascaras. This is the Rimmel Scandalize mascara. Then my Lash Paradise mascara, one of my absolute favorite mascara. Then again here I have my Maybelline's Lash Sensational mascara, which is again one of my absolute favorite. Then I have the Lakme Iconic mascara, which I don't use it much. I don't know why, but this mascara does nothing to my eyelashes. That is what I feel, because I don't like the wand of this. And then again here I have my Maybelline's Hypercurl mascara. Best mascara on a budget. You can get this for around $250 or under $300 during sale season. Definitely keep an eye on this mascara. Then I have my Maybelline's Colossal mascara. But if you ask me which is my favorite mascara from all this, then it has to be this two mascaras, this Lash Sensational and the Lash Paradise. And that is all I have for this makeup collection video. Alright, so you guys already watched the video, and now putting all of this makeup back into this vanity box is going to be a task. You see all this makeup that I have kept over here. I need to go ahead and put it back into this. So I'll just go ahead and quickly do that. Okay, so this is how I have gone ahead and managed to keep all of my makeup in here. These are all of my bullet or mini liquid lipsticks, and then here I have segregated them in this color-coded section. So here I have all of my red, pink lipsticks, and over here are all of my brown toned nude lipsticks, mostly nude shades over here. And this is like my eye section over here, wherein I have all of my mascaras, eyeshadow, eyeliners, lash glue and everything. And here is like my main section for my face makeup. I mean, I have my foundations over here, my palettes here, my powders, bronzers, everything over here in this big huge section. So this is how I have gone ahead and managed to keep my makeup in this one vanity box itself. Now let me just go ahead and shut this. And now let's wind up. So that is all I have for you today in this video, and I hope you liked watching this video. And if you did like this video, then please go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to take care of yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.